Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to change your avatar on Roblox. If you enjoy this content, make sure to like, subscribe, and let's get started. So first guys, go to Roblox and click your profile and then click edit profile. Then click your profile picture and here go to customize. Then select head and body as you can see here. Here you can change your head. If you want a man face, click on it and it will be changing. Go to here and you can customize your hair. For example, if you like this one, click on it and go to skin. You can also change the color of your skin. I'll choose this one and go to classic heads and you can change the shape of your head. For example, if you like this one, click on it or this one. Then go to classic faces and you can choose man face, also Taurus, and left arms. You can also change it, for example, to this one. Go to right arms, change it to this, and left legs as you can see here. Same thing to the right legs. Perfect. So this is how you can change your profile as you can see. Thank you so much for watching me. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and see you to the next video.